this is what we're dealing with at the moment. So if you watched a couple weeks ago, we made dice out of this like wooden, whatever this is called. This week, we're gonna just talk about like precision, trying to get. We've already done these before, but people like them, and I got eaten. So we have to get 2 dice out of this thing, and they have to be about 3 inches in diameter. It is so cold, dude. 16 degrees, is that what that says? This is what you call dedication, bro. All right, so what we'll do to start, I just have to find my 3-inch place. I can't start in my end here because I have this hole, so I kind of have to go in the middle right here. So I'm gonna just go, let's start from the flat side, yeah. Gosh, it's cold. I'm gonna cut here and here so that I just have this instead of working with all this clunkiness. Always use a push stick, bro. And tuck these in your shirt so you don't cut it off. There we go. This is all I have for my dice. We'll get both cubes out of the ends here. Got it. So we have our cubes. Man, it's cold in here. Now we have to draw out our boxes. My mark is a little bit after the 3 there, but that'll be fine. It'll just give me room for error. God, it's so cold. Now from this side, I'll measure 3 inches again. Almost there. It's so cold. Really should have layered up. Now all I have to do is measure another 3-inch from this edge and we'll have our cube. I lost my pencil. Now I'm basically just gonna cut it in half. I cut a little too far there. I'll end up just sanding that out. It'll be fine. Now I can trace this dice out onto here like this, so I don't have to measure anything. And that right there will be our next dice. Gosh, it's cold. Blade's getting dull. Now we have 2 dice. Ain't that Parody? That one's even cooler. Gosh, it's cold. I'm moving to Florida. So now I have to figure out how to drill the holes proportionately so that they're symmetrical, because last time they did not look great. How do I do this? Forgot I have stencils. I'm just gonna like hold them up and do them like that. Gosh, it's cold. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's cold. So cold. So now we just have 1 to go. So now that we're done, we can drill our holes. Man, it's cold in here. I think I need another jacket. I like where we're at so far. My only thing is I'm gonna have to try to drill them so that they're not so crooked. You know what I mean? I believe this is a 1/2 inch bit. I feel like 3/4 is a bit big. 1 inch we don't have enough room for, so yeah, 1/2 inch is fine. Let's go ahead and start drilling our holes. So I'm just gonna put my dice on this little block and then drop my Dremel like that. It's still so cold though. So there's our first one. Not too bad. It's so cold. So So there's my dice. We're good. They don't look too bad. There's one part I will say, let me show you. Right here, that's pretty rough, but it'll do. I mean, you know, it's too cold to be accurate, right? It's so cold, like I feel my eyes are cold too. It's crazy. There are a bunch of different grades of sandpaper. For this one, I'm just going with 220. It's hard to feel with the gloves on. Check that out, man. That's pretty. All right, all done sanding. Man, it's cold in here. I need contacts. Still cold. All right, and that is how you make your yard dice. Next week I will be building something else, so stay tuned for that. Till then. Okay. Next time I'll probably make a jig, probably make them the holes a little more symmetrical, but other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. So next week we'll probably build something else. I don't know, but we'll see. I got pee now, so bye!
Well, that was better, wasn't it?